So just a MULI place, Byron Bay. And it's certainly a great day for it. So on the site, and it is quite a difficult site, a bit of a slope to it. You've got the granny flat, and you've got the main dwelling here. Now the main dwelling's got stria up the top, linear board here. The granny flat's got also a combination of the linear board and the stria, and it's all connected by this decking that goes down the side. 1200 wide pivot door, entry door. It's got the stacking sliders here. And as you can see, it's on an elevated floor system that follows the contours. It's like a plungy pool there. So have a quick little squiz at the granny flat. So it's got a deck out the front, open plan living, kitchen, bedroom. Hey, how are you? Bathroom, the skylight. Yep. Very nice. And a second bedroom. I'll go back to the main house. Laundry, staircase, bedroom, bathroom, main living area, and a guest bedroom with an ensuite. Go upstairs. Go this way. Sit. Hold up. Yep, she's here to help. Sorry. So it's an upside down house with all the living and master main kitchen upstairs. Big veranda, great views, good use of louvered windows. The skylights as well. And master ensuite. It's huge. Walk through robe. This is the master bedroom.